Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today I have a tutorial on how to achieve this look, passion twist. I feel like I might be a little late to the passion twist party, but I've just seen so many people rocking this style and I wanted to try it out. So also I have a video on my channel on how to part your hair for the passion twist. In this video, I just start with the tutorial, not on the products that I used or how to part your hair. So if you're interested in that information, I'll put the link below. But yeah, let's get started.
Okay, so I just decided to order hair off of Amazon and this is what it looks like. I will put a direct link for it in the description box. The hair already comes in these pre-made sections. So whenever I started a new pack, I would take each section of hair and separate it from the bottom to the middle. The hair that I ordered also came with the crochet needle. I'm going to demonstrate this multiple times, so bear with me if you do not understand it the first time. You're going to take your crochet needle and make sure that the hook is closed. You're going to put the hook through your hair underneath the rubber band and pull it all the way through. When you do that, sometimes the needle would open and sometimes it didn't, but if your needle did not open, just go ahead and open the needle. Then you are going to hook your strand of hair onto the needle, close the needle and pull it back through. So once you pull the hair through, you take it off the needle and you'll have a loop. Then you're going to take one side of the strand of hair and pull it through the loop. Then you pull the two strands in opposite directions until it's tight. Then I would split my natural hair into two sections and kind of tug on it a little so that it would tighten the rubber band. And then you just begin to twist all the way down until you reach the bottom. I decided to use one piece of hair per twist just because I wanted them to be kind of thin, not too bulky. So once I reached the bottom, if I didn't want to twist all the way down, I would just wrap the two strands around my finger and it would make it look a little more neat. So yeah, that's one twist done. Okay, again, make sure that the needle is closed. Push the needle through the section of hair underneath the rubber band. Make sure the hook is open and then place the strand of hair on the hook and close the hook. Then you just pull the hook back through and you'll have that loop, and take the strand off of the crochet hook. Then you take one side of the hair, not your natural hair, but the weave, and pull it through the loop. Pull both strands to make it tight. Take your natural hair, split that in two, tighten the rubber band, and then begin to twist. And hopefully you can tell in the video, but as I'm twisting down, I'm also twisting each individual side of the twist, if that makes sense. So you're kind of twisting it like a rope. So as you're twisting down, you're also twisting each individual strand. Hopefully that makes sense. So then I continued this technique until I got to the end of my natural hair. And once I reached the end of my natural hair, I just would do a normal twist. I think the biggest thing is making sure you're twisting tight all the way down until you're at the end of your natural hair so that it won't unravel as easily. Oh yeah, my bad y'all. This is really important. So before you place the strand on the hook, you want to make sure that the ends are kind of uneven. So one side is a little longer than the other side, so that once you start twisting and you get to the bottom, it's not really like a really blunt look at the bottom, and it also helps make your twist longer. So this hairstyle did take me a long time to do. I wasn't able to do it in just one sitting. I had to kind of just, you know, do my normal duties throughout the day, take care of Grace, cook dinner, go work out. So I wasn't able to finish it in a timely manner. I stayed up until probably like 4 a.m. because that was the best time that worked for me. But in the end, I was happy that I was able to finish the hairstyle. So like I said, it was really late and I did want to do some other things with the twist, but I needed to get my butt in bed because I knew that Grace was still going to be waking up at 8 o'clock in the morning. So I just threw this bonnet on, looking crazy, and this is what the twist looked like in the morning. I decided to take some foaming wrap lotion and apply it to my hair and put on a scarf and get ready for the day. Next, I'm just taking some edge control and applying that to my edges. And I did order some cute little hair jewels off of Amazon as well and wanted to put those on the twist just to, you know, spice it up a little. I honestly do not believe that this hairstyle is meant to last long. So if you're looking for a hairstyle that is going to last months, I'm not sure if this really is the hairstyle for you. Just from my personal experience and looking on social media and watching other YouTube videos, it just doesn't seem like this hairstyle lasts that long. Hopefully you did watch my video on how to part your hair for this hairstyle, but if not, I did mention how I also have another video about postpartum hair loss and how I don't really recommend doing hairstyles like this, but I am 17 months postpartum and I think that my hair is in a well enough state for me to be able to do a hairstyle like this. But if you are newly postpartum, I do not think that I would recommend getting anything like this. Just because, you know, you don't want anything really tugging and pulling on those vulnerable areas of hair. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. Please tag me if you decide to do passion twists. I would love to see you guys' outcome on Instagram at Sharneezy. If you have any questions, please leave me some comments in the comment section below. But yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye.